Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert double line border to shape in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I insert double line border to shape on this sheet. At first, you have to go to insert menu. Then you can see here are shapes drop down menu and choose a shape to insert. Now I draw this shape. Now I add double line border on this shape. At first select this shape, then go to shape format menu. Then you can see here are format shapes drop down menu. Now click this line. Now you can see here are compound types. Now I choose double. Now choose this double line color. Now I choose red. Then now I increase this white on this border. Now click apply. Now you can see here I insert double line border to shape in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.